Good evening all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 28th December 2021. Today's topic name is static keyword. Static is a keyword. The static keyword are used in main method without creating a object. So static keyword are used creating object in main method. The static keyword are mainly used in memory management in Java. The static keywords are used by users such types as variable, method, block, and nested classes. The static keyword is a variable and method. The static keyword is a non-access modifier. Thus, such types of methods are included in static keyword. First one is a variable, second one is a method, third one is a block, and fourth one is a nested classes. So we discuss one by one. First one is a Java static variables. We can use Java static variables in only class. You should create a static variable when you need static variable. That should be same for all objects of a class. Static variable is also called as class variable. Static keyword are used in before any variable is known as static variable. The static variable are used to refer to common of all objects. Example: company name of employee, college name of student. Static keyword make our program memory efficient and it's save memory. Then second one is a Java static method. The Java static method is similar as normal method except it has static memory. We use static keyword for return any method is called as static method. The most common example of a static method is a main method. Main method declare as a static several restrictions. Some points are static several restriction. They can only directly call other static method. They can only directly access static data. They cannot refer to this or super in any way. Then third one is a Java static block. Static block is used to initialization static variable. Static variable are required additional logic during initialization. Static block execute before the main method at that time of class loading. Then last one is a nested class. Java allows a class of define within another class is called as nested class. A class can be made static only if it is a nested class. The class in which the nested class is defined as outer class. The non-static classes are also known as inner classes. That's all about. Thank you.